Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create glitch font or text without using any app. So, let's get started. First, open any browser on your mobile. Once you are in the search bar, type glitch text generator. Once you type in, then hit the enter. And then from the results, click on the first website link. Once you are in the website, here, you'll find a text box where you can type your text. Simply type your text. Once you type your text, it will automatically generate in a glitch font, like this. And you can also increase or decrease the craziness level. Just play around with the settings until you get the look you want. Once you're happy with your glitch text, just copy the new text. Now, go to the place where you want to paste it. Once you are there, then paste it. And that's it. You've just created glitch text without needing any app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.